What's up guys, it's Jiggy, and today for you I have a brand new AI tool called Autopod. Apparently, it can edit multi-camera sequences automatically, so if you have like 10 guests in a podcast, it will cut all those POVs for you using AI. It says that it's customizable to work with any editing method, including standard cutting, multicam, or enable/disable, which is good because that's usually how I handle sequences with multicams. That's not Autopod's only AI tool though. They also have a social clip creator, which automatically creates different resolutions clips for socials. You can take a 16:9, which is a horizontal sequence, and it will automatically reframe all those assets on your timeline to work for mobile. And last but not least, I have seen this used before, but they also have their own jump cut editor, which cuts sequences for you based off the silence. So if you are interested, you can press the link and you can check it out for yourself. They even have a 30-day free trial if you're interested. This is not a sponsor. I literally asked for an affiliate link because this looks like such a cool product, and I hope this helps.